Good morning, ladies and gentlemen of the internet. Today is Mike's Plumbing Adventures. I have a house that's almost 80 years old, and part of the plumbing is galvanized. So we had to do exploratory surgery here and figure out what was what. Part of my house is copper, part of it is 80-year-old galvanized pipe, so sure. And we're punching holes and putting stuff together here, so hopefully it'll be all copper. No car content today, but lots of this kind of monkey business. Okay, so more nonsense here. Of course, there's an abandoned gate valve inside the wall here. More exploratory plumbing nightmare stuff. Had to cut holes and stuff to figure out where it went. There's my underneath my kitchen sink stuff. So we're getting her done. And of course everybody needs holes in their bathroom. There's old galvanized pipe. Yep. Anyway, thank you for watching Mike's Rusty Finds. Plumbing disasters on demand. Please like, share, and subscribe.